Hey guys, happy hump day. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right, happy Wednesday. All right, so I'm going to work through our slides. We got Miss Hyde. She's got a special guest for you today too. We've got a slide drag and drop, your definitions. Guys, you should be learning these words, all right? Then we have Mr. Schultz is going to read a chapter, and you're going to write the facts that you've learned, okay? And then we have, this is so cool. I want you to watch this video. This is a video of them passing the torch through all the years of the Olympics. It is so cool. And then there's a fun little game that Mr. E found. Okay, you can spend a few minutes on that. And then, guys, I need you to go to, okay, when you get to the next one, yeah, didn't put an edge elastic on there, but I need you to go to your Mother's Day slides. I need you to do another couple. Guys, this is Wednesday, and you need to be finished by Friday. Okay, so you need to get in there and make sure you've gotten them all finished. All right, I'm checking every day. Your paragraph, if I have not put that on there yet, then go in there and see if you can insert that on the page that has the paragraph that you wrote about mothers. Okay, we want to put that on there. All right, if you've not finished your slide, then get your slide done for our slideshow. All righty. Okie dokie, let's go back. Make sure you tell us who did the pledge. Where is that at? Okay, so have a great day, guys. Love you bunches. Bye.